The nature of work is changing and becoming distributed. So how can you and your employees adapt and build a human-centric workplace fit for the future? As a technology futurist, I'm asked all the time, Andrew, what's the future of work? And the answer is, it depends. The future workplace has changed forever in the way we communicate, collaborate, create, and the way we innovate. Speaking to friends and colleagues, the days in the office pendulum is still swinging anywhere between 1 and 4 days a week. This discussion is a distraction, and I believe it could be time to completely reinvent how work gets done. When I look at the workplace of the future, I observe it through the lens of the 3 Ps: people, place, and purpose. First, people. We need to decode the new hybrid work options with a focus on employee expectations and needs. We're starting to see the rise of new concepts such as talent anywhere. This allows us to hire the best people from wherever they are located. We'll also see more fractional working, where employees work for different non-competing companies rather than the same employer 5 days a week. Next, place. Place refers to where the best work gets done. As we reinvent the workplace to cater for hybrid working, how can we provide the best human-centric experience using technology and redesign processes? In many ways, we need to unlearn the old ways of how we got work done and put our people at the center of the redesign. Does your office environment earn the commute and provide a compelling reason to leave the comfort of the home office? What will make your office a destination, somewhere we're drawn to and want to visit again and again? A recent study from Frost & Sullivan confirmed what many of us knew already, that hybrid working is here to stay. Their report showed that 73% of those surveyed expect a quarter of their staff to work from home, and 48% will invest in more meeting spaces. Anecdotally, when asking clients and friends about how their firms are reimagining the workplace, many have remarked that there are now more collaboration areas than desks, as companies realise that true collaboration is becoming more important. Meeting equity is a phrase that I'm hearing more when we talk about redesigned workplaces. It has 3 components. Equitable audio. Can everyone hear every speaker all the time? Inclusive video. Can I see who is speaking up close? And engaging content sharing. If I start drawing on the whiteboard in the room, can those working remotely see this and contribute? We have to think about designing and optimizing our new workplace, and that isn't just about meeting rooms. It's about creating truly inviting meeting spaces. It's how we can empower our people to enable effective collaboration. Now, the thing people tell me they're missing most about hybrid working is those stolen conversations where we bump into someone and save hours of discussions over Zoom and email and get the job done. How do we make that happen when we're not always in the same space? We need to enable human-centric experiences that allow people to make meaningful connections, have a sense of shared purpose, and achieve outcomes aligned with their beliefs, values, and emotions. And the final P, and the most important, is purpose. Why do we go to work? What drives us, and how can we understand the purpose of our organisation and ensure it aligns with our values? Now, I want to leave you with 5 actionable tips for reimagining work. Ensure you have the right technology for those in the office and those working remotely. Move to an asynchronous model where work doesn't have to be done in real time. Ensure your meeting spaces promote meeting equity. Also, think about how to make your office a destination that will earn the commute. And finally, provide the best human-centric experience using a mix of technology and redesign processes.